All right, guys. 2008 Honda Civic. All right, I changed the rear drum brakes. Just want to explain you guys if you need to do it, how you're gonna do it. So, whenever you're doing a drum brakes, sometimes it will not come off. Right. Right back here, you have like a little boot right there. You can take that off and unscrew it so the pads will go together and the drum will come out easy, all right? But anyways, I got new shoes. I put in a new hardware kit. Very simple, guys. This little guy, you could pry it, the spring right out, and it'll come right up here, right? Push this brake shoe on top of this, push it this way, on top of this, and this spring will come off like a cake, all right? Just like that. Then you got retainers, new retainers here. That's what's holding the brake shoes together. This mechanism right here, the spring and the adjuster, you can put it on both of the shoes before you put anything on the new shoes. You can slide this thing right through here. You have just a perfect amount of space. You're gonna have to wiggle it around a little bit. The adjustment screw has to be a little bit farther this way, and it will drop in there. Once it drops in there, you can open it, put it on the cylinder, right? That's the easiest way, all right? Or you can put the shoes on and then put the adjustment thing in there, and then somehow, some way, you got to get that spring on there. This is the most difficult spring on this brake. Everything else is easy. You got this locking mechanism right here. That's what locks and adjusts the adjuster screw. It locks it from going backward, all right? Very simple procedure, guys. And you got this little spring right here. After that, make sure you put on new drums, guys. I got new drums right here. I cleaned them with the brake cleaner right there. So, and then you do need to adjust it, so the drum has to be just enough so the tire turns and stops. One turn and it stops. Not even one turn, like half a turn, and it should stop on its own. It shouldn't just keep going around and around. If it keeps going around and around, you need to adjust a little bit more. It's much easier to do it from here, get the feel of it, and then just do one or two clicks from the back end, all right? But anyways, one thing I want to tell you is work on one side. Don't work on the other side at the same time. Don't dismantle everything, okay? Because you need to, sometimes you forget. You need to know which side the adjustment screw, this way or that way. The spring, one side is long, one side is short, all right? So the long side, it goes overlaps. It doesn't hit that the adjustment screw right there, right? So that belongs there. So if you forget, you can look on the other side. That's why I said do not. Yeah, so again, do not take it apart. Let one side be your guide. And to put this back, same way, guys. Put the spring on, and then you can push it and push the spring back. All right. And do also make sure you clean this with the brake cleaner. Once you have everything off, parts cleaner. Make sure you put a little bit of tap of grease on the back end. Back end is all the touching points. All right. So I put grease back there. There's a touching point here, there, and then edge here. Right. Same thing here, and I did the same thing on the opposite side, guys. All right.